This year, I want you to give permission to all of these to come into your garden, and I'll tell you why. Providing food for native species of birds and other wildlife is an important part of being a responsible gardener. Insects are such an important part of other wildlife species' diets that we share our habitat with. Did you know that it takes 7,000 to 9,000 insects in order for chickadees to raise a clutch of babies? Bush tits also will eat 3 pounds of insects per season. It's important to have available food if you want to attract birds and other native wildlife species into your garden. So I want you to be slower to spray, slower to remove insects, slower to clean up your garden, and slower to cut it down in fall in order to attract beneficials and keep them in our garden. Mother Nature works at her own pace. You have to be patient and slow everything down. If you want to have a balanced and healthy gardener, you have to invite everything in.